Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, as you can see. This is a new camshaft sensor. It has been changed. This sensor has been put on a vehicle that had the his sensor that was wrong. Okay, I'm going to put there a link on how to do the test by cooling the sensor to see if it is a fault of the sensor itself, even though the machine says so. But hey, I have done the test and well, the sensor has been changed, total. We have changed the sensor and the boy, the owner, has left with the car in a few hours. Later, as he has come back in tow, he called us saying that the car then it did not work, it did not start again and it says the same fault that it had before, and you say, well, it was a defect in the part, but it is rare because the part is new, so he has brought the car and it turns out that it is the owner of the car he has for sale and well what he has done to make it more saleable, to make it more beautiful. He has put and the engine has anguish, it has oil, water, soap and others and it has been good. What happened? Well, the sensor had the connectors. I have seen a lot of water and I say good, what does it also have? Of course, the sensor at first glance, you disassemble it, we have cleaned it and everything and it looks good but it doesn't work. Of course, you can't see anything inside, the problem. Look, water. This because well the man has been good with the pressure hose, it has entered the connector and has gotten inside the sensor itself. So now you see if the connector dries because it has still wet others, and it has gotten inside, you have to check now to see that the others where it is given as they are well. In principle the error that comes out again is the same, camshaft sensor. Let's see if the sensor is cleaned and well, the car will work again. If not, then we will have to put another new sensor. With this video I want to tell you, that if you are going to oil the engine, if you are going to put a hose on it with pressurized water, soap and so on, be careful with the connectors, okay, be careful with the electrical parts. Well, here I leave you the video. I hope it has served you. If so, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.